ASAP. ASAP.
As soon as possible. Use when something needs to be done quickly. Example, please send me the report ASAP.
IDK. IDK.
I don't know. Use it when you don't have the answer or knowledge about something. Example, sorry, IDK what time the party starts.
RSVP. RSVP.
Répondez s'il vous plaît, please respond. Use when requesting a response to an invitation. Example, please RSVP by Friday if you can attend the party.
ETA. ETA.
Estimated time of arrival. Example, my ETA is around 6 p.m.
LOL. LOL.
Laughing out loud. Used to indicate laughter or amusement. Example, that joke was hilarious, LOL.
TBH. TBH.
To be honest. Used to indicate honesty or truthfulness in your statement. Example, TBH, I didn't really enjoy the concert. The sound quality was poor.
AKA. AKA.
Also known as. Use when referring to an alternative name or alias. Example, John Smith, aka the Professor.
FAQ. FAQ.
Frequently asked questions. Use for a list of commonly asked questions and their answers. Example, check out our website's FAQ section for more information.
TBD. TBD.
To be determined. Use when something is yet to be decided or finalized. Example, the venue for the event is still TBD.
CEO. CEO.
Chief Executive Officer. Use when referring to the top executive of a company. Example, our CEO will be giving a keynote speech at the conference.
NP. NP.
No problem. It is often used in text messages, emails, and informal conversations to express agreement without any trouble. Example, thanks for the reminder. I'll be there on time. NP.
DOB. DOB.
Date of birth. It is used to refer to the specific day, month, and year on which a person was born. Example, can you please provide your full name and DOB?
AM/PM. AM/PM.
Ante-meridiem and post-meridiem / used to indicate morning AM and afternoon / evening PM time periods. Example, the meeting is scheduled for 9 a.m.
BTW. BTW.
By the way. Use when adding something as an aside or additional information. Example, BTW, have you heard about the new restaurant in town?
GMT. GMT.
Greenwich Mean Time. Use when referring to the time standard at the Greenwich Observatory. Example, the webinar starts at 3 p.m. GMT. Please adjust for your local time zone.
BRB. BRB.
Be right back. Use when indicating a temporary absence or break. Example, I need to grab something from the kitchen, BRB.
URL. URL.
Uniform Resource Locator. Use when referring to a website address or link. Example, check out this article at URL www.example.com.
DIY. DIY.
Do it yourself. Use when referring to do-it-yourself projects. Example, I'm planning a DIY home renovation project.
IMHO. IMHO.
In my humble opinion. Used to express your personal viewpoint or perspective. Example, IMHO, the new design looks much better.
LMK. LMK.
Let me know. Used to request someone to inform or update you. Example, I'm free this weekend. LMK if you want to meet up.
VIP. VIP.
Very important person. Use when referring to someone of high importance or status. Example, the VIP guests will have access to the exclusive lounge.
FYI. FYI.
For your information. Use when providing information for someone's awareness. Example, FYI, the meeting has been rescheduled to tomorrow.
OMG. OMG.
Oh my god. Used to express surprise or shock. Example, OMG, I can't believe what just happened.